To regulate an automatic watch, fixing the fast or slower problem, you can see this plus and the minus sign here. You just need to push or pull this thing to positive or negative direction. If you want to make the watch faster, you need to push this thing to positive direction, anti-clockwise. I am pushing this to anti-clockwise. A little push can make the watch so faster, so many faster, and this is the way. If you want to make the watch slower, you need to pull this to the negative direction to anti-clockwise, clockwise direction actually, to make the watch slower. Just this simple. So this is it.